What's up, Twinks? Back with another. What the fuck? Back with another rich franchise. Today's we got the fucking Titans. First we gotta change something. We gotta do some changes. I remember. God damn! What the fuck? Why? Oh, why everyone so down? Why everyone so sad? Why are we so sad? The CJ, we're changing CJ's number to not 24, cause the fuck is he thinking wearing 24? I'm gonna give him 0. Yeah. I'm gonna change Jack Beck's number.
Some players' development.
Yeah. That is not Jack Beck. See, they wears this like white long sleeve all the time. And that. There we go. Alright, all done. All better. Say we got the Titans. In real life, they're also 1-4. And I really hope that we lose and tank this season, because God, dude, Gino. Same as fucking last week, dude. Gino is just fucking terrible.
Lots to get you caught up on. Why don't we start out in Indianapolis?
Yeah, let's start in Indianapolis. Jesus Christ, Jeremy Chin. I don't even know what the fuck he is. But Geno Smith in this game is having a good time. This game in real life was fucking awesome. That pick six from Devin Lloyd was fucking badass. Did the Chiefs win this game? Oh my god. What the fuck? Holy shit. That Kareem Hunt like 32 years old?
The Chiefs started the year 0-2, but now have won 3 in a row, including
of course. In real life, I think the Broncos won this one. I'm assuming the Eagles won. Yup. Scott Hanson's fucking awesome. He's like the top 10 dude for me. Top 10 dude. Do we do any negotiations? He wants to be here. It depends how he plays this season. Jacoby Myers, he kind of wants to be here. Eric Stokes wants to be here. Dylan Parham could kick rocks. Jamal Adams. Oh, I already did all this shit. Okay. Well, let's. If we have a high draft pick, cause who's in? I need to look at some players, prospects. There's a top 5 receiver, an edge rusher, 2 QBs, and another edge rusher. There's a lot of edge rushers and QBs. If anything, I might get a. I don't know about drafting a QB this early with so much holes in our team. Like, we could possibly draft a receiver. Oh wow, we could. Wow, this guy looks really good. But yeah, we really need anything at this point. Not anything, but mostly anything on defense. We could use another edge, cause I don't think if Tyrell Wilson doesn't pop out this season, I don't think I'm gonna keep him, cause you know what the fuck is he providing? Jesus fucking Christ. Like, cause he has how many sacks already? He only has 2. You were picked 7th overall in the draft. I should expect more from 7th overall pick. But enough yapping. Let's fucking play this game. Titans, Raiders at Allegiant. I'm ready to get my ass whipped by a fucking rookie. Game plan in this game. Game plan for every fucking game. Give the ball to Genty and only Genty. If Gino's throwing the ball, everyone's gonna have a heart attack. There we go. Fucking Yards. Alright, yeah. Got fucking hello neighbor coaching us. Jesus Christ, he's ugly. Alright, returning. I don't think Geno Smith isn't really that bad. I think it's just our O-line, honestly. Our O-line, he has no trust in that O-line. That was a shit return. But I don't blame him having no trust behind that O-line. That O-line is fucking... Dylan Parham is a terrorist. Jordan Merritt is a terrorist. Why is Alex Kappa out there? Why is Alex Kappa? What? What? Did I not put Caleb Rogers in last time? Get Alex Kappa out of there. Then we're gonna find Beck on the drag. Oh, oh yeah, Beck. First down. Fuck yeah. I think I said this in another video. Pete Carroll needs to get his fucking head out of his ass and start these fucking rookies. Oh shit. Oh my god. No fucking way. Hell yeah. 20 yards first carry? See, this is why I don't play on all Madden, because you get big runs like that. On all Madden, I never get big runs like that. Shit is fucking impossible. Like that. Touchdown, Genty. Let's fucking go. It is the Titans though, so we shouldn't be this excited. It's the fucking Titans. I'm pretty sure we still stay in top 10 of the draft if we win this game. So I think we're good if we win this game still. Hope we can pass some stats, get our fucking morale up, because people fucking hate it here. Today is Thursday, October 9th. What do I got doing today? Yeah, obviously football. Football, it's who today? The Eagles and Giants. Obviously the fucking Eagles are gonna win that shit. Giants are Giants are promising in the future. They look promising in the future. They have no reason to be successful in the future. They got possibly the franchise QB and possibly a franchise running back in Cam Scatterboo. Cam Scatterboo's a fucking G. I love Cam Scatterboo. Oh shit! Oh god, he's wide open. Hell yeah! Oh yeah, Cam Scatterboo is a fucking G. That's a white boy. That's how a white man runs a football. You ain't on D, are you, bitch? Oh, fuck. Throwing dimes right now. First and 10. Handing off to Genty. Oh, fuck me. See, if the O-line was like this in real life, I think I'd be okay with it. Except for DJ Glaze, I'd be fine with. I'd be fine with it. Like if Geno Smith was having problems behind this O-line, I would definitely blame it on Geno. I mean, I'm still blaming it some on Geno, but most of it is because of that O-line. Most of it is Jordan Merritt. Jordan Merritt just fucking runs like randomly in places. Does not follow his block. It's fourth down. Oh shit! I'm an idiot. I gotta fucking pay attention. Oh, I should have done backspin. I'm an idiot. Let's get this faggot. Oh shit! Why would you hand that off, Ricky? Fucking Max Crosby there. Jeremy Chin stopped the run. 3rd and 5. Let's see if we can stop these motherfuckers. Why does it? I hate that. He's gonna be wide open, and that's a drop. Fourth down. Punt the ball. Let's go. Back to back to back punts already. Let's see if we can do something with this return. Get closer this time. I think if he gets that block, yep. And then cut it. Ah, fuck me. First to 10, we're gonna hand off to Genty. I got Genty in my Mutt team. I'm not gonna play Mutt on here. I'm not gonna record me playing Mutt because I honestly hate fucking Mutt. It's not fun to me. I don't know why people find it fun. I mean, because I'm fucking terrible at the game. But people who play Mutt just they don't touch grass. They play the game way too much. It's unbelievable how much they play the game. To know almost every playbook and to understand like reads and shit, you gotta play this shit for unless you know football that well. I don't know football that fucking crazy, but to know all that shit while playing the fucking game, you need to touch fucking grass because that's a problem. I just like that fun. I just want to fuck around and play. Not fuck around, but I like to play realistically. I like to think it's real. Let me look for Bowers right here. Yep. Nope. Do screen to Genty. If we can get it out. Oh shit. I think we're gonna. Nope, we're not. Let me see if I can get Jack Beck's first career touchdown. Nope. Yeah, he drops it. This guy Jack Beck cannot hold on to a fucking ball. I think I said in the last video, I was playing with him in a quick play. He dropped like 5 passes, and they weren't hard passes either, or hard catches to catch either. This guy was just it was hitting the palm of his hands, and he was just fucking dropping them for no reason. Anyway, touchdown Jack Beck. After I was talking shit about him, he needs to do something with that hair. First down, Tennessee. I see like Tyree Wilson isn't even in right now. Like if he's not gonna make any plays with Malcolm Kuntz out there. I think I need to change that. Oh, fumble! And first down. Of fucking course, man. Let's see. That's what's not realistic of this game. Like there'll be a fumble and the guy will be on the floor just laying there, not interact with the fucking ball. If we lose this game, I will suck my own dick.
We're ready to go with the second quarter, and it's Titans football. They'll try to attack this deficit, starting with 1st and 10. Out of the shotgun, it's Ward.
Oh, it's right there.
He gets it forward a little to his 46. Devin White hauls him down. Halfway to the marker, it's 2nd and 5. They put a receiver in motion right. Ward off the play fake.
Oh shit, that's a sack. Oh, speaking of Tyree fucking Wilson, dude. Hell yeah. That a baby. No, we need to get more plays in like that. Or get more formation looks. Let's keep him in. And see how he does. Darren Porter interception? Holy shit. Oh yeah, rookie. First career interception. See, that's why you fucking start him. Dude, look how tall he is and fast. He's tall and fast. That's literally what you need in the fucking corner. But no, we gotta start fucking Kyle Blue Kelly. Slower and shorter. Oh shit, that's my fault. If one of those safeties comes down, I could go to Myers. Nope, I'm not. Go to Trey. I'm an idiot. Oh my fucking god. See, I hate when linebackers do that. They fucking... That's an edge. They go down to the flat zone, and as soon as I press the button, they go up to the wide receiver. First down, Titans. If we lose, it's because of that play.
Kate, a run like that, just everybody gets to breathe. Things become so much easier when you start a drive with momentum like that.
First and goal, they go option.
Oh, he doesn't fumble this time.
Things on the ground, huh? He is stopped at the line. They're gonna have to regroup now on second and goal.
Second and goal. Let's see if we stop these fucking bitches. Stop these bitches. Stop these bitches. Stop these bitches. Third down. Let's stop him. Let's stop him. Let's stop him. If he fucking QB sneaks this shit.
Here's the jumbo package. On the sneak, here's
Are you fucking kidding me, bro? That's so fucking gay.
the Titans pick
I want to do a big play, but I can't. I cannot do big plays yet.
give up the guts. It's Genti.
Oh shit, does he have the speed? Does he have the speed? No, he doesn't. Genti is pretty slow, honestly. He doesn't have that burst.
They get 20 yards out of the play and move the chains. Just one play into this.
But see, he already has 100 yards, and it's not even it's not even the half yet. Oh shit, it's a blitz.
To throw. Escapes the pocket.
Why did I throw that? Well, why did I throw that? Better question. Why did Trey Tucker not come to the ball, but the corner did? That's I'm not blaming that on me. I'm blaming that on Gino still. That's Gino's fault.
Drives in a row have ended with interceptions.
Might not have cost them the lead quite yet, Kate, but you just know this offensively. Like, you just continue to make mistakes.
What's this?
Turnovers.
What?
Give your opponent
How do you not? Oh my god, Eric Stokes, you're a little pussy twink.
And he works this to the 38.
Twink boy.
After a good pickup, they've got second and 4. And he gets this very close to that first.
Injury timeout. Oh shit, did we hurt Cam Ward?
35.
No way.
We've got a sound
Oh shit, we did. There's no fucking way.
in some pain, Brock.
Alright, since he's out, we got a bigger advantage now.
Third down, Pollard.
Never mind. They're better. All of a sudden, they're better. I do an all-out blitz, and nothing fucking happens.
The interception into points. Tony Pollard with the
And just like that, it's a tie. It's a tie game.
extra point. He's up
I need to stop throwing picks.
and the Titans tie
I need to chill out, dude.
14. This game
What happens with the crowd? Why is there so much red and blue jerseys? Jesus Christ.
Tucker now on the return.
It's like there's no Raider fans here.
And this drive will start
Where do the fans go?
5.
See, what did I say at the start of the game? We just need to give the ball to Genti. Oh, what was I thinking? Just keep giving him the ball.
From the gun.
Just keep giving him the ball. You see it? First down.
Right at the 35. They'll move the chains after that pickup of 12.
You know what we're gonna do? Let's see if they could stop it.
Going to the ground again on first.
Let's see if they can stop it.
And he hits the second level.
What the fuck was that?
Get to him right along
I did not do that.
Brock as he set out.
Crack toss? It's the crack toss? I kind of don't like this. I don't think this is gonna get anywhere.
Another give here to Genti.
Yeah, this is gonna get what, 2 yards?
Limit the gain to the
See, here he has 138 yards, dude. This was fantasy. He'd be fucking cooking.
in that last run. It's second and
We're gonna pass the ball though. See if we throw a pick.
from the 48. Chased out to his right.
No, we're gonna run with Gino. That's what we're gonna do.
He's keeping it.
Oh, Gino. Oh, Gino.
He's got his
Okay.
guys into the red zone before someone
Was not familiar with your game, G.
to the line we go. They're set first and 10. From the red zone now.
Got Myers on the cross, and that's a touchdown, baby. Hell yeah.
Touchdown.
Geno Smith has like 11 picks already, or 12.
So Brock, this offense starting to find its rhythm.
Carlson
As they
for the
finish
kick.
things with a touchdown there.
And it's good.
And the key word there to finish was 6 points.
I'm gonna finish on you, 6
Carlson
points.
all set now for the kickoff.
Why is it when I kick off, the fucking crowd goes quiet? Everyone's just like, hey, shut up! Everyone shush!
And he's gonna make this
Okay.
a 48 before going down. 14. They'll start this one on the ground with Pollard.
Cam Ward back? I didn't even notice.
No gain on that first down run.
Yeah, he's back.
So it's the
Dang it!
here from the lead.
2-minute warning. We gotta stop him. We gotta stop him and score again.
You have it.
That's what we gotta do. We need to set fucking standards on this defense. Are they just gonna run it? They're just gonna run it. They're just gonna take a timeout though. Darnay Holmes should not be on the fucking field, dude. No way, that's a first. Are you fucking kidding me? Who's getting routed up by Tyler Lockett? Eric Stokes, that's fucking who? Are you kidding me? How's this bitch ass get burnt by fucking Tyler Lockett? Bro's like 38. Oh yeah. Push that motherfucker back. Let's go on Max. Third and 19. See if we get to the QB. Or we could pick it off too. Hell yeah. Let's go. Second pick of the game. All right, we got the ball back. See if we can score. 49 seconds. I can score 49 seconds. I remember Chief Smith's our QB. Awesome. Awesome sauce. Can I get Gentry to go? No, I cannot. All right, whatever. All right, let's just dump it off. First down. Timeout. We do have one timeout though left, huh? Fuck. Did not think about that. That is a problem. Why is Michael Mayer out here and not Brock Bowers? The fuck is that about? All right, let's go to Trey again. Get out of bounds. I like that corner. If
Same thing for a receiver, especially on a drag route. When he sees zone coverage like that, just settle down, find the soft spot.
I don't like that anymore. Oh shit. Ugh. Oh! Oh, I'm goated. Oh, I'm goated. I am goated with the sauce. Let's see if we can find Jack back in the middle again. Like last game. If that safety goes in the middle. No, he doesn't. Fuck. Should just start away. No, it was just. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. No. All right. I didn't know what to do there. I got scared. I'm gonna try to find Myers again. See if he gets open right here. Or you know what? A corner from Jack Beck might be open too, depending on. Oh, I don't know. None of this is open. Oh, I had to throw that shit away. Fuck. It's third 10. I want to try that again. Fuck. I really don't know what to look for here. I guess. Fuck. I'm goated with the sauce. All right, we'll just take a field goal then. Successful drive. Successful drive. Hell yeah, give me Scotty. Give me Scotty Hansen. Oh yeah, I love his fucking voice.
Starting to get a little bit of a sense who the contenders are and who the pretenders are. Let's hop in. Our tour around the NFL starts now at Lucas Oil Stadium in Indianapolis. The Colts at home to take on the Arizona Cardinals.
I'm assuming the Colts won.
And this is
Yep. They're 5-1. Holy shit.
Pass from 15 yards away. The Colts are playing well. They improved to 5-1 with this victory. From there, it's down to the Big Easy in New Orleans. We'll check in on the Saints as they play host to the New England Patriots.
Oh shit. Oh shit. The Saints fucking suck.
Good working down the field, hauls this one in stride. A 55-yard touchdown. The Pats
Austin fucking Hooper with that shit. Hey.
3-3. One more to show you real quick. It's over in Tampa. The
Tampa Bay and Niners.
taking on the San Francisco 49ers.
None of this affects us anyways. They're both NFC.
This is Bucky Irving. He'll take this one in.
42-20. Holy shit.
Get their 5th win on the year as they get the victory here. And with that, a look now at the rest of the action around the NFL here in week number 6. Meanwhile, in our game, both teams have been able to move the ball effectively. It might be a question of which defense can make a stand in the second half. As we get you back out to Kate Scott and Brock Heward.
Carlson just sucks in real life now. He's just washed. I think it's time to get a new kicker for him. Cause he's not the same as like what 2021. 2021. Oh my god, dude. 2021. He's a fucking goddess. Motherfucker is hitting everything. Oh shit. Tyree Wilson could get like over 9 sacks this season. And if he gets 9 sacks, I'll probably keep him. If not though, I'm not bringing him back. Yeah, just break a tackle from Max Crosby, totally.
Not to telegraph a pass. It's another to fundamentally do the right things. You got to use your eyes to move defenders in this league, especially on your primary target.
No way he caught that. Nope. Incomplete. 4th down. Give me that shit, bitch. Give me that damn football. Should I Tucker with the return? Yeah, just don't. Three of you guys just don't block him. No. Nah. Nah. Hell yeah, he is. Look at this shit. Oh, fuck. Oh my god, bro. What was I doing? You know, they should have just kept their mouth shut. That's what they should have done. See, anytime they don't talk about him, he does good.
Maybe even for himself, what impresses me so much, Kate, the guy just doesn't.
See, 2 back-to-back 10-yard rushes. He's probably averaging like 8 to 9 yards a carry. Is this touchdown? Oh! Oh, dude, if I would have broke that tackle. No. You're lying. You're lying. You're fucking lying, dude. Oh my god! What the fuck, man? And we throw incompletion. See what happens with Genty leaves, man. Back spasm. Will return soon. Okay, he'll return soon. I'm fine with that. But oh my god, I was scared because I've seen clips of people get players who are injured for like 22 weeks and are like done. Nah, some of them are like done for their careers and shit. I bet they be done, like done, like done. Oh shit, he's back. Fuck yeah! Cheers, bro. Oh shit. What the fuck was that? Jack Beck could be open. Jack Beck is open. No, he's not. Yes, he is. No, see, like this motherfucker can't catch anything that is in. Yeah. Ooh, Jack Beck might be. Fuck, I gotta stop targeting Jack Beck, dude. Like, see, he didn't even get off that press. Jacoby Myers is open though. Trey Tucker is wide butt fuck open. How is he? Why? Huh? Dude, this motherfucker had a drag. Oh my god, dude. This. Jacoby Myers might be open again. Or Trey Tucker. Trey Tucker. Fuck yeah. touchdown, Trey Tucker. Trying to put smoke into my head, man. Don't know what to think anymore. Oh yeah, Max Crosby with the sack. Why did he go farther from the tight end? That makes no sense. Another sack. Let's fucking go, dude. You know, we might not be. No, we need interior help. We do need interior help. Fourth down. Let's get this motherfucking ball back. No one's gonna expect this shit. No one's gonna expect this shit. Oh yeah, go Chino. It's us. Fuck. Oh my god, are you kidding me? Great. Try to have some fun. Someone gets fucking hurt. It's us. What? No, we'll keep them out. We'll keep our starters out. This game is. I'm pretty sure this game is in the bag. We're just gonna keep our starters out. They're hurt. Just stay out, dude. I don't know what I was trying to do there. I got scared. I want to get Bowers more involved, but I don't. There's no plays where where he automatically gets the ball.
Okay, that's a run that's ho-hum on the stat sheet, but if you see a bigger play on the ground later on, largely be because of a play just like that one, softening up the front and opening the door. Bigger gap.
Fourth quarter now.
It's the Raiders up by multiple touchdowns, and they've got the football.
I think I'm gonna place a bet on tonight's game. I probably shouldn't do that, but you know, fuck it. You know, I do not have the funds to be doing this shit, but you know, I'm gonna anyways. Like Saquon's for 17 receiving yards. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna do that. Does Genty even have a touchdown this game?
Really does become, well, the schoolyard. And you got to scramble around. What a great adjustment to still deliver a clean ball.
What? I pressed. He was supposed to break that tackle. To 226 rushing yards. Whole lot of twos. Hell yeah. If they can't stop it, keep running it. Like this. They ain't gonna stop this shit. Bro, you can't break one tackle. No, we're just gonna keep running it. That's the whole reason we drafted him, is to keep fucking giving the ball. Now, if Dylan Parham is behind me, I can't go anywhere though. If Dylan Parham can do his fucking job, that'd be awesome.
Two sides charging each other, and they meet right at that line. And they didn't have to try him backward. All they had to do
Touchdown. Oh shit! Touchdown, Jetsy. Yeah, let's go for 2.
Well, they took a gamble, and it paid off with a touchdown on 4th and goal.
And to do it on the ground at that, that's a confidence builder. Confidence builder for the big guys up front. Confidence builder for the running
Oh shit, he caught it.
around the scrimmage. And frankly, Kate, a confidence builder for this fan base that
39 to 14. I'm like 30% sure we're gonna come out with the win this game, but who knows? It's the Raiders. All right, let's stop this twink.
Hopefully gonna give them some rest this time around and find some points to go after that lead. First and 10. It's
Yeah, they're down. They're down like over 20 points. I think the last thing you should be doing is running the ball.
gonna lead to some shuffling around here in the play.
I mean, what do I know? I'm not an NFL coach.
here's 2nd and 7. Caught by his back here. It's Pollard.
Oh yeah. Chris Smith needs to get off the fucking field. I do not like Chris Smith.
I don't care how, I don't care when, just find unique ways to get this running
Oh
back
shit.
going over time.
Darren Porter with 2 interceptions in 2 fucking games, or in 1 game. Fuck yeah, Porter. That's my white boy. People, I hear people say all the time that this is our Christian McCaffrey. This guy is nothing compared to Christian McCaffrey, dude. Why are they comparing this bum to fucking Christian McCaffrey? This motherfucker literally fumbled on his first carry of his career. You know how sad that is? You know how sad it is to tell people like, oh yeah, my first carry was a fumble. Was a turnover. Yeah, I'm a little bitch. Oh shit! White boy with the sauce. Think we're gonna come out here with the win. Gonna go to 2-4 in the season. It's gonna. If I look at the bottom, if I pay attention to the bottom long enough, we're still probably gonna be last. Unless the Broncos. No, the Broncos did lose. No, did they? I don't fucking know. We'll see. But yeah, pretty. I kind of hope we're still last because I don't want to. I do not want to, get a high draft pick anymore. And that's your game. 39-14 Raiders. I hope it's like this in real life because I'm tired of this embarrassing ass losses. We need to get our shit together. 26 attempts, 231 rushing yards, and 2 TDs. Genty was a force on the ground today at home against the Titans. Hell yeah, he fucking was. Next week we got the Chiefs. I am not excited for the Chiefs. They're 3-3, not really big, one game difference. Really good at passing, of course. Well, really, we're number 1 in rushing. That's good. They got also a lot of players out. My golly. They have a lot of DBs out, so we could take that for advantage. Yep, we're still last. We're 10th. We are 10th. Surprisingly, that's kind of good still. And Lulu is 3rd in sacks. That's crazy. Jensen's in 1st, of course, with over 200 yards over the second person. That he might break a fucking record. Weekly awards. I'm assuming. Yep, Genty. Gardner Johnson, I don't know yet still. Jacoby Myers, yeah, he's very reliable, but he's going to turn 29. Eric Stokes, no, you got burnt by fucking Tyler Lockett. I'm pretty sure not. I might just let everyone fucking go here. There's no one I want to keep. All these people are just washed, too old, too low overall. Fuck. Yeah, he doesn't even want to be here. Yep, that was week 4. Week 4? Week 6. What the fuck? Week 6 of Raiders franchise. I am done for today. I am going to get off. And I'm going to make some food because I am hungry. Later, Twinks. Maybe your song made me want to roll my windows down and cruise.